Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Steamfast SF-520 full-size fabric steamer, a versatile tool designed to make garment care simple and chemical-free. With a quick heat-up time, this steamer's 70-ounce removable water tank is ready in just 45 seconds, providing up to 63 minutes of continuous steam to effortlessly remove wrinkles and odors from clothes, linens, curtains, and more. Equipped with a cool-touch insulated hose, a telescopic pole, an attachable fabric brush, and a convenient clothes hanger, this steamer ensures a hassle-free experience. Say goodbye to the inconvenience of dry cleaning, as this steamer refreshes your fabrics with ease. Designed and supported in Andover, Kansas, the Steamfast SF-520 is backed by a superior support promise, offering a replacement if it doesn't meet your expectations for up to 2 years. Experience the convenience and efficiency of steam care solutions that are easy to handle and use. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.